Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button. If you are returning, welcome back. Everyone, make sure you click that notification bell so that you are not missing any of my videos that I upload. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so that more and more people can see this awesome content. Let's get right into today's video. Today I am back with another RPG show wig, you guys. This one is going to be a fitness wig. I am obsessed with RPG show. I had to give you guys another review. I absolutely love it. Once again, this is a 100% honest review. I paid for this wig with my own money. So if you want to know more about the RPG show fitness headband wigs, keep on watching. First, as always, we are going to get into the packaging. Now, just so you guys know, my particular order came with the standard RPG show packaging. They do have another super cute box that the fitness headband wigs come with that is gray and silver and super pretty. However, there was a shortage when I placed my order for my fitness wig, so I got the standard box. I did show you guys the full packaging on my last RPG show wig, but really quickly I will go through and show you guys what you get with this wig. So just know, if you do not get the lifestyle box, you're going to get the standard RPG show box. Mine came, of course, in this drawstring bag that you guys know I absolutely love. On the inside of the box, you're going to get your super cute RPG show bag that you can store your unit in, as well as your order information that comes in this super cute envelope. So I will just give you guys a little bit of information of what I ordered for this unit. The name of this wig is going to be Fitness 003. My texture is silky. I got 12 inches. Hair color is going to be a natural hair color. I got the cap size 1, which is on the smaller side, and then my cap construction obviously is fitness wig. The fitness wig is going to have this super sturdy headband on it. I mean, it is perfect for sweating. It is just absolutely amazing. It's very stretchy, very sturdy, and it is not going anywhere. You guys are gonna see when I both put this wig on as well as seeing it in action when I'm working out. You will see that this band is amazing. The wig doesn't go anywhere, you guys. Also, keeping along with the wig cap construction, you're going to have a comb in the back. You have the adjustable straps. There was no elastic band in this unit, but honestly, I don't need the elastic band because it lays super flat, and this band keeps everything in place, you guys. I absolutely love it. Because of how they have the hair on the unit, I'm able to wear a high ponytail, low ponytail, half and half, wearing it down. Whatever I want to do with this wig, I can totally achieve it. So that is going to be your wig cap construction. Let's get right into the pros and cons of this fitness wig. Pros: this wig is going to be the perfect fit. My cap size is a cap size 1 always, and this is the perfect size. The cap construction is amazing. I love the versatility, like I said, that I can do with this wig. If I want to do a ponytail, half up, half down, all down, whatever I want, I can do. I love how soft the hair is. I even feel beautiful when I'm working out, which is awesome. After I washed and conditioned this wig, there was no tangling whatsoever, very minimal shedding. I did have a couple of gray strands in this wig, but nothing to complain about. So let's get right into the cons. There was only one con that I had with this wig, and that's actually my fault. I wish I would have gotten this wig just a tiny bit longer. I was really nervous about getting a longer wig because I did not want to risk extra shedding, any kind of tangling, you know, especially because I'm using this wig to work out primarily. So I really definitely could have gotten away with going a tiny bit longer. But honestly, this 12-inch is really, really nice. I think it looks very natural. I definitely could have gotten away with like a 14-inch just so that if I do want to wear a super high ponytail, it'll be a little bit longer and cuter. That is really the only con that I have, is that I wish it was a tiny bit longer. But hey, it's definitely still a win in my book. I love this unit, you guys. On a scale of 1 to 10, I give this unit a 10 out of 10. As always, the customer service was amazing. Even when I emailed them to ask them about the packaging, why I got a different box than what I've been seeing in other people's videos, they were very nice and very understanding. So customer service is always a plus. The wig is amazing. I've worked out in this wig so many times. Totally worth the investment. And again, you guys, this is my 100% honest review on my experience with RPG show. As always, I'll be leaving a link to this exact unit and a special link as well as an additional discount code below, because I'm telling you guys, use the link, use the codes. They are so helpful at checkout. You save so much money and you're getting an amazing quality unit, so why not take advantage? I'm super excited for my next RPGSHOW wig, you guys. I'm not even gonna tell you the style. My family got me gift cards for RPGSHOW, and I was able to purchase another wig, you guys, and I can't wait to show you guys what it is, but you'll just have to wait until it arrives. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so more people can see it. Share it with all of your friends, especially people who are looking to order their first RPGSHOW wig. Also, leave me a comment below. Let me know what you guys think about this unit. As always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications, you guys. Thank you so much for 82,000 subscribers. We're almost at that next milestone, you guys. If you'd like to see how I styled and worked out in my RPGSHOW fitness wig, keep on watching.
Got to